How to capture a sale in ClickFunnels, but manage your CRM in Go High Level. So this is a very widely requested video. So I'm going to go ahead and do the tutorial. We have 3 steps. We need a ClickFunnels account. We need a Zapier account. We need a Go High Level account as well, right? So the first thing is, let's go ahead and set up the ClickFunnels. All we need is an order page. So let's go ahead and change the name of these to order, name test, tag. Let me go ahead and change the name of this specific step to order. So order cool product update. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see if it did. Order cool product and the confirmation page. Now here we're going to add the cool product right there. Okay. And we are going to go ahead and set this to test mode. Okay. Test mode. Now the next step is we actually need to go ahead and test if it's working. So go ahead and grab your test card, paste it there, and then click to purchase. If the page is working, it is going to redirect you to the next step. So that's exactly what we're testing now, which is working right here, right? So all done in ClickFunnels. All we need is a funnel and a working order page with a confirmation page. Now the next thing is we need a Zapier. So for the Zapier, we are going to do a ClickFunnels starting point. And now we need to select the event. The event is going to be new successful purchase. Continue. Now you choose your account. Okay, so I'm going to choose real quick. There we go. I chose that account and then continue. Now here we need the trigger. The trigger, we're going to use the name of the funnel, which is test 2. So let's go ahead and test. Let's see, test 2. And now the funnel step is order cool product. So let's go ahead for funnel step, and then it's going to be order cool product. So order cool product right there. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now you want to test the trigger. That's why you go for the test first. Because if you didn't do the test first, it would not work. So let's go ahead and test the trigger. So now he's going to find a bunch of products and all that stuff. Awesome. We found records. Let's continue with select record. Now the next step is we need to connect the data to a ClickFunnels account, a Go High Level account. So all we need is to connect that with lead connector. Lead connector. There we go. Okay. So lead connector, we want to select the event. The event in this case is going to be add or update an opportunity. So let's go ahead and do that and continue. Now we need to choose the account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this account. I don't know which one it is. Maybe it's this one, I guess. Let's go ahead and choose this account. We're going to find out if it is this one or not, and then continue. Now here we just need to fill out the form. So here, Pedro, last name. So last name. Now here, if you have phone number, email address, you just go for email, contact address. You just fill out all these things. For tags, just go ahead and cool product tag. Okay, just add cool product tag. Done. Done. Source doesn't matter. Market lead. Let's go true. Notes if you want that. Select pipeline. So now here for the pipeline, before you get into the next stage, let's go ahead and see what you get. You get a few pipelines here. So let's go to Go High Level. For Go High Level, go to opportunities. And now here you have your pipelines. For your pipelines, you can create new pipelines if you want. I'm just going to use the test pipeline that I have right here. But if you want to create a new one, just give it a simple name and stage name. So let's go for cool pipeline. And now here's stage 1. Stage 2, okay, whatever you want. Stage 3, okay, and then save if you want to do those kinds of things. Okay, then you have, just give it a second, and you have the cool pipeline. Okay, of course we're not going to have the cool pipeline here because we will need to refresh. Let's just go ahead and use the test one. Okay, now here in the test we're going to select the stages that we have. In this case it's cold, warm, and hot. In the other one we would have the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the cold. Now here, assign to user, if you want to assign to user, and all these things, if you want to add all these things as well, okay? So let's go ahead and continue. Now for this case, we want to go ahead and test the action. And he's testing it. So basically he's grabbing the information that he had before and he's trying to send to the lead connector, which is right here to this cool pipe, to this test pipeline, okay? So he's testing. Let's just go ahead and see what he finds. All right, so now we have failed to create a contact in lead connector. So we just need to go ahead and troubleshoot this. Let me just see what the problem was. So maybe it should be this account, opportunity account, action, true, test code. Let's go ahead and refresh fields to see what we have here in the pipelines. So let's go ahead for cool pipeline, stage 1, continue, test action. Let's just go ahead and test again. And now here, let's see. So success. So there we go. Got a success one. So now let's go ahead and publish this. So as far as Zapier goes, it's done. We need the third part. Okay. So for that, we're just gonna go ahead and check the contacts. We should have a name right there, and we should have the cool product tag. Okay. So we have Pedro, my email, and then cool product tag. Let's go ahead and see how we can manage everything after we get the sale there. So for that, you go to automation. For automation, we want to create a new workflow. And for this workflow, we're going to go from scratch. And now here, you can literally do from various things. Let's just go ahead and cool product automation. And now the trigger can be tag, contact tag, and now tag edit. And remember the cool product tag. So now you can do that specific thing, and then you can do all kinds of changes here. The workflow tag can also be the customer. Let me see the appointment status. Where is the updated? Let me see what it is. Cancel. Let me see workflow updated. Contact created, changed. Pipeline stage changed. In pipeline, cool pipeline. Let me see if I can do stage 1. Okay, so now everything inside stage 1, you can also get that trigger. Okay, so here you can pretty much add anything that you like there. So that's how you do. You collect the sale in ClickFunnels, you use a Zap, and you add and update it right here. Okay, that's how simple it is. Have fun with it, and see you in the next video.